Welcome to Genius Wave, where numbers come to life. Today we're learning all about integers. Let's go. What is an integer? An integer is a whole number. It can be positive, negative, or zero. Here's a number line. 0 is like the center of the math world. Everything starts there. Numbers go to the right for positive integers, and they go to the left for negative integers. Now, let's learn the addition of integers. Today we're solving negative 8 plus 4. Let's jump into it. We're starting at negative 8. Now we're adding positive 4. That means we move 4 steps to the right. Let's move one step at a time. Step 1. From negative 8 to negative 7. Step 2. From negative 7 to negative 6. Step 3. From negative 6 to negative 5. Step 4. From negative 5 to negative 4. Yay! We landed on minus 4. So when we add 4 to minus 8, we go 4 steps right on the number line. And our answer is minus 4. Now let's try one more. Negative 2 minus 5, let's jump into it. We're starting at negative 2. Now we're adding negative 5. That means we move 5 steps to the left. Let's move one step at a time. Step 1. From negative 2 to negative 3. Step 2. From negative 3 to negative 4. Step 3. From negative 4 to negative 5. Step 4. From negative 5 to negative 6. Step 5. From negative 6 to negative 7. Yay, we landed on negative 7. So when we add negative 2 to negative 5, we go negative 7 steps left on the number line. And our answer is negative 7. Now it's your turn. What is negative 10 plus 5? Pause the video and try. Use a number line and count to the right. Let's jump into it. We're starting at negative 10. Now we're adding positive 5. That means we move 5 steps to the right. Let's move one step at a time. Step 1. From negative 10 to negative 9. Step 2. From negative 9 to negative 8. Step 3. From negative 8 to negative 7. Step 4. From negative 7 to negative 6. Step 5. From negative 6 to negative 5. So we landed at minus 5. Hence, minus 10 plus 5 equals minus 5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.